natural tan removal remedy. Suntan ruining your glow? Don't worry. This easy, natural remedy will remove tan instantly using kitchen ingredients. Harsh summer sun can darken your skin and leave it patchy. Chemical creams often do more harm than good. You'll need 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of milk, and a pinch of turmeric. Mix all ingredients well in a bowl. Make sure the paste is smooth and slightly runny for easy application. Apply the pack to tanned areas, face, neck, arms. Let it sit for 20 minutes. You'll feel the cooling effect instantly. Wash it off with cool water. Repeat 2 to 3 times a week. The lemon brightens, honey heals, milk softens, and turmeric evens the tone. Want more natural glow tips? Hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to Skin Maker Lab for more herbal beauty care.